Unlock the secret to breathtaking video backgrounds with the power of Leonardo AI. Today, we're diving deep into how you can use Leonardo AI to create incredible, customizable video backgrounds that will elevate your visual content to a whole new level. First things first, you'll need to access Leonardo AI. Head over to their website and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, navigate to the AI image generation section. The magic happens in the prompt. Think about the vibe you want for your video. Are you aiming for a serene natural environment, a futuristic cityscape, or perhaps something completely abstract and energetic? Be descriptive. The more detail you provide, the better Leonardo AI can understand your vision. Now, hit Generate. Leonardo AI will process your prompt and present you with a variety of image options. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keyword combinations, or add stylistic elements like cinematic lighting or bokeh effect to fine-tune the results. Once you've found an image that's close to what you're looking for, look for the Extend Image or Vary Region tools. These are crucial for creating backgrounds that are wider or have a seamless loop, which is essential for video. For seamless loops, focus on extending the image horizontally. You'll want to guide the AI to continue the patterns and flow of the existing image to avoid any jarring transitions when it repeats. When you're happy with your Eigner-rated background, download it. You can then import this image directly into your video editing software. In your editor, simply place your main video content on a layer above the background. You can then adjust the duration of the background image to match your video. And if you've created a seamless loop, it will play continuously without any noticeable breaks. And there you have it. Stunning, customizable video backgrounds generated by Leonardo AI. Start experimenting and let your creativity run wild.